Question 1. When driving in fog, you should use A. High beam headlights, B. Low beam headlights, C. Hazard lights. Correct answer, B. Low beam headlights. Question 2. What is the legal blood alcohol concentration (BAC) limit for drivers 21 years old or older in California? A. 0.02%, B. 0.05%, C. 0.08%. Correct answer, C. 0.08%. Question 3. When approaching a school bus with flashing red lights and an extended stop sign, you must A. Slow down and pass cautiously, B. Stop and remain stopped until the lights stop flashing and the sign is withdrawn, C. Change lanes and proceed with caution. Correct answer, B. Stop and remain stopped until the lights stop flashing and the sign is withdrawn. Question 4. If you are involved in a minor collision with a parked car and you cannot find the owner, you must A. Leave a note on the vehicle and report the accident to the police, B. Wait for the owner to return, C. Call your insurance company. Correct answer, A. Leave a note on the vehicle and report the accident to the police. Question 5. California's basic speed law states A. You should never drive faster than is safe for current conditions. B. The maximum speed limit on highways is 65 miles per hour. C. You should always drive at the posted speed limit. Correct answer, A. You should never drive faster than is safe for current conditions. Question 6. When making a left turn from a one-way street onto a two-way street, you should A. Turn into the left lane of the street you are entering, B. Turn into the right lane of the street you are entering, C. Turn into either lane of the street you are entering. Correct answer, A. Turn into the left lane of the street you are entering. Question 7. At a four-way stop, who has the right of way? A. The driver on the right, B. The driver who arrives first, C. Both A and B. Correct answer, C. Both A and B. Question 8. You must yield to a pedestrian using a white cane or a guide dog. A. Only if the pedestrian is in a crosswalk. B. Only if the pedestrian has a walking signal. C. At all times, regardless of the situation. Correct answer, C. At all times, regardless of the situation. Question 9. When parking uphill on a two-way street with no curb, your front wheels should be A. Turn to the right, away from the street, B. Turn to the left, toward the street, C. Parallel with the pavement. Correct answer, A. Turn to the right, away from the street. Question 10. You may legally block an intersection. A. When you entered the intersection on the green light. B. During rush hour traffic. C. Under no circumstances. Correct answer, C. Under no circumstances.